Okay guys, now I want to show you how I actually got this amazing script for Garden Horizons. Look at this. Look what we have, guys. It's literally amazing. We have all of these options. We have automatic things. We can enable fly. We can enable teleports. We can get speed, guys. It works amazing. And right now I will show you how I got it for absolutely free, safe, and online. I will show you everything step by step. So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to your Google or any browser you have. Navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily. Go down below, click browse scripts, guys, and then click on Garden Horizons. So it should load up. Then you will have to enter your username or your user ID. So I will just enter my username. It's pretty simple, guys. Just enter it, click connect account. It will start fetching our Roblox profile. Guys, don't worry because it's the only thing that we will actually enter here. So we'll get this pop-up account for confirmation. So if it's you guys, just click yes, connect, and that's pretty much it. We're successfully connected. And now, guys, if you don't have any executor into our Roblox, you will have to import it. But don't worry because we can import Delta now. So if you already have Delta, just make sure to select yes. If you already have a different executor, just make sure to select I already have a different executor. So I will select no and just click import new as Delta executor. And guys, select scripts that you want to install. I have selected this Forge Hub. It works amazing for now, guys. It's the tested script from start of the video. I selected Forge Hub, just click continue, and guys, it will start connecting to the API. So make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, guys. I hope you will enjoy it and find it helpful. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So look at this, guys. We will get API connected, our script ready, and our activation key as well. So everything you will have to do here is to click I'm not your robot and do it because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. And guys, you will get verification successful. And look at this, guys. We're connected, and now you just go open your Roblox, go to Garden Horizons. You will get Delta along your script selected. Just execute your script, and that's pretty much it, guys. You will get amazing Garden Horizon script for free without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, isn't it amazing? I'm so excited because it actually worked after testing a lot of websites. Bloxforge.com was the only working website so far. So guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.